As soon as you walk in, one of the things that really captured us was the care, the compassion, the trust that he built with his patients. It's like you're coming to visit a family member.
My name is Dr. Brandon Gardner, and I'm a general dentist here in Boerne, Texas. One of the things that we really strive to do to distinguish ourselves, I guess, from other dental offices is to think about the patient's perspective and to think about their experience from the moment they walk in the door to sitting in our chair to having some dental work done. How is this experience for the patient, and what can we do to make it more comfortable, less painful, and if it can be, more enjoyable?
We work really hard to make a calm environment. A lot of our patients come in nervous or with a little anxiety for the environment that we are in. We have relaxing music. You're going to see soft colors in a modern environment, and then everybody's going to be kind from the moment you walk through the door.
Every decision that I make I don't feel pressured. It's my decision to do whatever I want, and he's very understanding and doesn't force anything.
I have been a patient of Dr. Gardner's for almost 7 years. My husband and I started in 2016. We moved to the area, we tried Dr. Gardner, and there was no way we were not going to come back. So since then we've been patients here at Gardner Springs Dentistry, and we have had an amazing care. We love the entire team, the setting, it's just amazing.
Here at our office we do all forms of general dentistry, all different types. But we do kind of have a niche towards a few things. One of those is implant dentistry. We do a lot of dental implants, whether it's single dental implants or working with folks that want to rebuild or transform their whole smile. We do a lot of cosmetic dentistry. So Invisalign is a big thing we do. Veneers and crowns and whitening, just some little subtle tweaks to improve or make that smile look a little bit more youthful. And sedation. Sedation is really a big part of what we do. A lot of folks aren't aware that we have medicines and methods to make dentistry a pleasant, enjoyable experience, whether that's feeling just a little bit calm and relaxed or really kind of taking a nap while we get maybe decades of dental work done.
Yeah, so we've had a great experience with Dr. Gardner and his team here, and a little history on myself. I probably went about 15 years in between dental visits, so I was a little dentist adverse. So one of the things that makes Dr. Gardner different is he's great at explaining my options. He's not just telling me what needs to happen with my teeth, and he's giving me different solutions and different things that might be easier for me to go through, but just giving me options instead of telling me what needed to happen. I've really appreciated that about him.
One of the things that really captured us was how he uses technology. These days, medicine has a lot of great potential for technology, and he utilizes that very well.
We use technology to improve our patients' experience by using all of the latest x-ray equipment. We also have music for our patients. We use intraoral cameras, so we're able to show our patients anything they may not be able to see, that's in their mouth. And we use all of the latest sterilization equipment as well, so that your experience is very good every visit.
Dr. Gardner's great, our team is amazing, and after being in dentistry for as many years as I have been, when you find a dentist that does the right thing for the patient and that's wonderful for his staff, that's going to be your happy forever place.
When I first moved to Boerne about 4.5 years ago with my family, I became a patient of Dr. Brandon Gardner's and was super impressed with the practice. Everybody was kind, the space was modern and clean, and when I looked to start working again in Texas, this is the place that I wanted to work, and I've enjoyed every minute of it.
Yeah, Dr. Gardner and his team are great. I think they're the best dentistry in town. I don't think you should go anywhere else. You shouldn't even consider going anywhere else.
So I'm extremely happy with everything about this office, and I highly recommend them to anyone.
And the way that he provides the care is very knowledgeable. He's incredibly knowledgeable, but at the same time he has the heart for service. So that's one of the things that for us was very, very inspiring to come back and to continue to be part of Gardner Dentistry.
If you've ever had a bad experience with dentistry, if you've ever been fearful or have anxiety about visiting the dentist, if you've ever had bad experiences growing up as a kid or a bad outcome as an adult, if you feel like you have concerns about your smile, about the way things look, you don't feel confident in it or comfortable, we can do something about that. There are options to get it done comfortably, to help address your anxiety or your fear. I invite you to come in and visit with us and see what we can do for you.